To link connect Hotjar to Learnworlds, start by logging into your Learnworlds account and navigating to the Integrations section. Here you will find a list of available integrations, including Hotjar. Click on the Hotjar integration to begin the setup process. Next, you will be prompted to enter your Hotjar site ID, which can be found in your Hotjar account settings. Copy the site ID and paste it into the required field in Learnworlds. This will establish the initial connection between the two platforms. After entering your site ID, you will need to configure the tracking code. Learnworlds will provide you with a snippet of code that needs to be added to your Hotjar account. This code will enable the tracking of user behavior and feedback on your Learnworlds site. In your Hotjar account, navigate to the Sites section and select the site you want to connect to Learnworlds. Click on the tracking code option and paste the code snippet provided by Learnworlds. This will complete the integration process and allow Hotjar to start tracking user behavior on your site. To verify the integration, navigate to your Learnworlds site and ensure that the Hotjar tracking code is present. You can do this by viewing the page source or using the browser developer tools. If the code is present, Hotjar will start tracking user behavior and providing feedback, which can be used to improve the user experience on your Learnworlds site. Best practices for using Hotjar with Learnworlds include setting up heat maps to track user behavior, creating surveys to gather feedback, and using recordings to analyze user interactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively connect Hotjar to Learnworlds and gain valuable insights into user behavior on your site.